it's Dr. Monty with Geeked Rehab. I'm partnering with our friends at Pyseek to create some videos for at-risk population individuals. All right, so I'm going to show you some exercises specifically that I often use for clients for a post-surgery. So we're going to start on some basic ones, and the first one would be a quad set, okay? That means contracting your quadricep muscle here, all right? And just without motion, just tightening it up and relax. This is called an isometric contraction. There's no movement of the joint, just tightening up the muscle and relaxing it, okay? Oftentimes after a surgery, this gets shut down, so it's difficult to activate it, getting that brain-muscle connection. So what I'll also do is if you bring them both up and tightening them both up. The one that wasn't operated on, it's working no problem. So we try to create a loop, all right, from this muscle through the brain to this muscle to remind this one how it's supposed to work, okay? Plus it just helps you remember, what am I doing to get this to do what I want this to do, okay? So usually I'll say hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and then relax and do multiple repetitions of that. The other one, that's the top of the leg. Now we're going to work on the back of the leg, the hamstring sets, okay? Similar thing, you hook your foot on the edge of something or just dig it into the surface that you're on, okay, your couch or whatever, and you're tightening this muscle. What I'm trying to do is I'm pulling my foot back without the motion. I just have that resistance and I'm pulling back and relaxing, pulling back and relaxing, tightening this muscle up. You want to do that at several angles to strengthen that muscle throughout the range, so you can do it with your leg fairly extended or straight. Scoot forward a little bit more, scoot forward a little bit more, and do it at all those angles. Then you've got one more isometric exercise for your gluteus maximus. So this one's most easily done if you're laying down and you just lay there and you squeeze your cheeks and relax. Squeeze and relax, okay? So those are the isometrics, kind of the beginning exercises. So now a little more advanced. For the building up the quadricep muscle, they're called short arc quadriceps. So you can lay down on your back, you can sit up, any position that's more comfortable for you, and you get a roll that's maybe about 6 inches in diameter. One of those big coffee cans worked really well. Wrap a towel around it for cushion, or just roll up a towel, big beach towel, tape it up so it's fairly firm, so when you do this exercise you don't just squish the towel, but you kick it up and then down, and that's it. It's just a short arc of movement, okay? Tightening those quadriceps, get that knee as straight as you can, and then down. So a little more advanced to that is called the long arc quads. So you're sitting on the surface and now you kick it up, you get a longer arc of movement here with this one. Okay, just like that. Working the same muscle, just in a variety of different angles. Okay, so that works the quadricep. Those are kind of the beginner ones that you want to do the first week out of surgery.